So hello and welcome guys. Today is 20th August and so yesterday as at overall the market was giving me mixed bias and I had taken the trade and it turned out to be a break-even trade. I had taken the trade somewhere around here and eventually it served this high and manipulated, changing the state in the higher time frame displacement and it rallied down and took out this initial drawn liquidity which was the equal low. Okay, so now going on to today, what I'd like to see is this low is present, but inside the draw, if you can see, there are this 1 hour FBG is present, and there is 1 hour bullish FBG which is being respected yet, and there is a 15-minute FBG. Okay, so I'll just mark out. This is the Asian high. This is the Asian high. This is the Asian high. This low is the New York low previous session, not previous, like few sessions. This is what 12 August. Okay, so this is the lowest draw, and so this is the Asian low. I spoke for about 2-3 minutes, and I didn't realize that my mic was off. So now I think I've turned it on. So yes, going on to today, I'd like to see some sort of manipulation to the upside. It came here, it didn't give us a sweep. So technically, there is still a chance for it to manipulate because 1 hour FBG is being respected to the upside. So going on to today, let's see. I don't have any fixed bias as a this regular thing. This new thing I have seen. What is this? I don't know. Asian range 20 pips. CBD. Fuck the CBD. I will just close. Yeah, so that's like it. There is nothing more. London will open in about 2 minutes. So today I'm sizing up. Yesterday I did size up, but eventually I closed the trade break even. So today let's see what happens. Now I don't have a proper bias. The thing that I can say is there are multiple point of interest which are being respected continuously. 1 hour FBG ran through the upside, then again got ran through the downside, but it didn't sweep this low. This 1 hour bullish FBG also got ran to the downside. So okay, first I said the 1 hour FBG, this one till here somewhere here, that got ran to the upside, then it again got ran to the downside. Then this second bullish FBG, it directly got ran through the downside with a nice bodied candle. There is a wick, but still. Then again it's getting ran through to the upside. Then this a 15-minute FBG, which is getting, I don't know this what you call it. I think so. This is getting disrespected because it just closed within this with the full bullish, like there are no wicks, no seller pressure here. So let's see the volume footprint. Okay, so there are, you can see volume put. I don't understand it too much, but I can just say no sellers here. And next candle just swept that low. So let's see this close. It will close in about 12 seconds, and London will also open. My trader already. I'm not going to chase price. Like I think so. My overall problems, which are main problems, how to like I've overcome those, but I still have some mini problems like chasing the price and sometimes missing some confluences. Okay, so major problems like I don't know what are the like major problems. I don't have any like rage betting or gambling, rage trading, or let's say not journaling or whatever the main thing. I don't have any main problem as of within like past 2-3 months. I have not gambled and all, but probably 5-6 months. Okay, so I'm a bit confused. This got ran through the downside. Next candle just ran through it to the upside. So bit confusing. London has opened yet? I don't see the full minutes. Okay, I mean 1 minute time frame. Okay, London has opened. See now, technically, there is no until unless that I can't distinguish my bias. Was once the market ran through with displacement, again it ran through, but sellers are in control. So I'd like to see some sort of a manipulation to the upside. Then initially we can head back. Still, if you see a manipulation, we need to see a lot of displacement as this all this point of interest are still there. Okay, so that's the issue. Not issue. There's the overall outlook of today. It's a bit choppy. Are the news today? What news? Let's check out. Today is 20 August. Euro ECB President Lagarde. What the? 40. It was 32. Okay, let's wait then. Yes. So it has already ended 2 years ago. Fine. Let's see. Okay, I think so. It will start as whatever it is. Who gives a shit? 'Or if you see some manipulation to the downside, then also I can look for. I'll just delete. I think so. I should delete this IVG once, twice, thrice. I think I should disregard the IVG now. I don't know. I'm not confirmed because IVG got ran through the upside again one time, again third time. So I don't think so. I should like regard that any moment. Now I think so. If I do get a sweep within this, then let's see. Let's just wait and watch. Because if here I can take a trade, my target stop loss will be here. My target will probably here. Then stop loss has to be somewhere around here. Let's put my stop loss just below this. I can't put my stop loss here. That will be too long. Oh, so let's just wait and see what the market provides us with opportunities. I'd like to move according to that. We did get a sweep. 15 minute this we did sweep this high. Okay. 1 hour has rejected that IBG 1 hour 15 minute. All the 3 point of interest it has rejected all of them. The 1 hour candle. The new 1 hour candle is showing bullish order flow. So I'm a bit confused. Go to the 1 hour time frame. See, this one has rejected this 1 hour, this IVG, this 1 hour FBG, this 15 minute FBG. It has closed so much with so much rejection, meaning buyers are in control. And as this candle is showing within the next 5 minutes, buyers are heavily in control. Who is inviting to me to play? So we are seeing some bullish momentum to the upside. Asian high has to get taken. Let's see. It's taken Asian eye. I kind of like to see some sweep, then we can just initially go and take down. Soul move. This can also be the start of a new upward move. But since there was no bottom's liquidity sweep, I can't guarantee this because this candle, if it had swept this low, then it would have been another situation. Since it has not, I will likely to imagine now. Let's see what happens. If you do get a CISD, this doesn't count as a model. It is not swept external. Okay. One thing that is not sure is it did sweep this low, but within the Asia. If it would have swept in the London, then I could have thought of a position to enter. But I need to just wait 12:40. So let's see. Is this the one? No. 15 minute is bullish. 1 hour is also 1 hour is kind of consolidating. Not going to lie. So this is the morning video I posted morning backtesting session. Wait, as a Thursday was bank holiday. Kind of a not a, like when I proper backtest, I properly backtest all the sessions, but some sessions which are just consolidating, I like to just run through it very fast. Because if it's consolidating, why would I just sit there and watch them? The past few 2 3 weeks, my trading has changed drastically from this to backtesting. Uh, from here, started. I don't know. I started like I used to make videos here, uh, posting every week. But what this was doing is, after the trade has been done, then I'm doing a small trade journal recovery. So that would not explain the trade very well. So I just starting it. I used to do that here also. Then I started backtesting quite heavily this trading view premium, and my trading has drastically changed. This is a small scalping model. 5 minute ABG inside a 1 minute ABG. Low, sweep the low, changing the state, definitely changing the state in the 15-second time frame. Then you can target this high with small stop loss. We can trade here. 3 pips stop loss is what? 1 pips. 1 is to 2. Small scalping model. Okay. Equilibrium. It broke through equilibrium. Retested that. So this sweep here we might not get manipulation because he has come here once, twice, 3 times. So with just a sweep, I might be able to take a trade with not looking at the internal manipulation. I can enter half my position if that happens. Then if the market comes again, then I can enter half my position once more. I'll just pause the video otherwise it will become too long. I've run down the market, whatever I wanted to see and all that. 12:40, there was no reaction from the this 12:40, 2 p.m. GBP. There is FOMC meeting minutes, so we might have a little bit, what to say, consolidation. Technically, I don't know what is a more hawkish than expected. Okay, let's pause the video. So it has taken the Asian high after a lot of struggle. Now after this price action is what matters. Okay, 15 minute 1 hour, both are pretty bullish. It has closed above. Okay, so that's a bad news. Bad news in case like there will be no opportunity. That's the bad news. So market will do whatever it wants. I'm just here to trade according to what the market is showing. But there are no current, only the New York liquidity is here this much. This is just some bullshit. Again, equal high or equal high. Okay, let's wait. There are no, it's all LRL. There are no strong high or lower which can return the market. Okay, so next candle has swept it. This is the internal, external concept, internal concept. Okay, so anything within the external is internal. So this is a double high. Now this, if you do get a displacement to the upside, then the sell side trade is invalid. But if you get an internal external sweep, then double equal high taken with internal sweep, then we get a change in the state. Then that's my go-to trade for today. But I will enter once the CISD is done. Okay. Then after my position, I will enter if I could do get a pullback. Should I monitor the 30-second? Okay, 30-second and both are the same CISD. That's nice. One RLPG, okay, so RLPG can be the fault for it. You can or cannot try to sweep the high once again, just because 15 minutes is pretty bullish. It ran through the 15-minute which side. Should not forget this. This 15-minute got ran through. So the excuse me. So this was the current draw. Once this got taken, now there are no definite current draw other than this high. Okay. And the 15-minute also same. There are some fair value gaps, but I don't think so that matters anything because there was not in there was the midnight 4:30 a.m. Okay, so we are getting rejection on 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle position 6.40 minutes. That's a good sign. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I'll pause the video. Uh, so I've just noticed there is a 1 hour FBG. Okay, this I had not noticed it. Just now I've noticed that it is this 1 hour FBG. Now 1 hour candle which close in 27 minutes. So now I'm a bit contemplating whether this can or cannot close here. If like within 27 minutes, if it does close within the range, then we can see some movement to the downside. But if not, 15 minutes closed, like it has ran through the 1 hour FBG. That's a little bit concerning. So yeah, that's about it. There is nothing I can do. No, 1 hour is getting respected. Like continuation model, there is very hard to look it at. Okay? Like because my model is everything. Like most probably is like manipulate. I need to see some sort of manipulation. When I'm not seeing it, it's bit big. Let's see 4 hour. Okay, okay, 4 hour as mm, there is this FVG 4 hour FVG. Let's mark it out. This can also be the draw. Well, I think so. This is not the draw. This gets up. This one. Let's see the daily candle. Okay, okay. So daily candle has hmm, rejected quite a lot. Then there is also this daily FBG which is forming right now. But this daily FBG which got like respected, but then through the upside eventually took the low, took the high, sorry. Now it's a bit confused. This is the low. Okay, so this is the 4 hour FBG. So 100% this is the draw. Okay, this is the draw. There is no other draw. Position low is quite a bit low. So I think so we can see some sort of a manipulation to the upside. Because if I do get here, is it worth taking? Bit confused. So I will need to see this whole FBG to get broken through. Otherwise it's not worth it. So this is the draw, most likely. This is the 4 hour FBG. Let's wait and watch. 1 hour will close in 24 minutes. 1:30. 15 minutes is has ran through the 1 hour FBG quite nicely, to be honest. So it needs to break through this low with quite a lot of displacement for me to consider anything. This will be the deciding point. It's also 1 minute FBG. Okay. some movement we're getting. I need to see close. This is the higher the low. This needs to be broken through for me to confirm anything. We are not seeing a lot of displacement as of now. Um, so, no, no, we are not getting any rejection like change in the state. Just retested the change in the state. Okay, so 15 minute is showing some nice bearish confirmation. This 1 minute needs to break. So see 1 minute. Okay, let's see. So if I do get opportunity, I think so. I'm going to take a trade to here because this is the nearest draw. Okay, see it has swept. Okay, I don't think so. I'm looking for anything bearish as of now. I don't think so. It would have taken so long to just break it here if the market did want it to go lower. I think so. This is just a retest for the market to go higher. Or the let's wait and watch. Still not. I'm not still very fixed with the bias because the change in the state has been made a equal low. Again, change in the state should be here, but technically there is this 1 minute FBG which needs to get broken through. So FBG which is not getting broken through. That's the issue here. See, 1 hour FBG got ran through 15-minute time frame. So there is no way it will break it again, but it can do whatever it wants. So I'll just move according to that only. But if I do get opportunity here to take a buy trade, I will take that because this will be my initial take profit. So let's say change in the state I get here, stop loss will be here 2 pips, 5 pips. So 1 is to 1.5, 1, 2 I'm getting if I do get. Let's see. Okay, we have broken. Let's see the 1 minute candle breakthrough, then I can confirm. Let's see the close. 1 minute, 1 hour has full to the range. Okay, we did get a close. I've taken the entry. Stop loss will be above this high. The stop loss is a little bit too big. Stop loss is above this high. I've taken. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. I've entered the position. See, initially I wanted to see the 1 minute to get broken through. That was the confirmation. Stop loss is above this high. First TP will first break even point will be here, here or here. So this is a bit risky trade as multiple point of interest got transferred to the upside, but I'm going to go with my current continuous draw. Okay. Just close this. Okay. Shit the bed. Let's fucking go. This can be a break even point. This will be the perfect break even point. Okay. Let's 15 minute if it closes a nice closer in 20 seconds. Then I can see a nice move. Okay, 1 hour has come back within the range. 15 minute is okay. 15 minute has swept that low. Is it respecting this bullish order block? Okay. Okay, let's see what else. Shit the bed. Let's go. 30 minutes. Let's fucking go. Shit the fucking bed. See to the break even. Break even. So 15 minute has eventually broken through the inverse. That's a good sign. 1 hour has come back to the range officially within the range. It has broken through the range. Give us a rejection. It come back within the range. So yes, I'll update the video as the things goes. This much stop loss is just above this high. Okay. The reason being this the 1 hour MBG. So I put it above this high. And so yes, that's it. I'll update you if it hits break even or my SL. So current market update, it has officially has the break even point, and I'm going to put my stop loss to break even. So yes, that's about it. I've not put exactly break even because I've entered here. So I put it over this high. So it doesn't matter because technically we can see a sweep and eventually go above, or we can just break through this. Okay, two things can happen. That's why I'm like, see, main thing is to reduce the risks of table, and I've just put the risks of my table. That's how about it. Okay, so I'll just mark the trade. Okay, see, see, it has officially, I think so, taken me out. Yes, it has taken me out. What the? See, that's what I was saying. One candle can initially go and take you out. What the fuck? So it was a break even trade technically. Stop loss here. Minus 1.1. I put in break even. It's such a good decision. I think so. That was the greatest decision till now. I'll show the execution also. I cannot say very greatest execution, but technically I did everything according to my plan. I executed according to my plan and everything. See, the point, this is the main point because there is this 5-minute FBG within the 15-minute FBG, which has rejected once. So going into it twice, it can reject another times, and the 1 hour candle will close in 3 minutes. So that's a body. Okay, so that's why I think so. If I would have kept my stop loss, it would have just ran through that. Stop losses here. Okay, so I'll just put it as break even trade. How do I mark it? Uh, just mark it like this only. Break even. Good overall execution from my side. Yeah, am I recording? Yes. So that's about it. So here technically it could have reversed from here. Since it didn't reverse from here, I was expecting that we can sort of go and take the 15-minute FBG as a full take profit. But nah, it didn't come here. So we did get a CI. See, now this is a CISD for buyers. So now initially I can enter a trade here for buy because we got a external sweep, internal sweep, changing the state with a displacement. Pull back to the change in the state, take trade here, target here, stop loss below this FBG. Okay, so it's that simple. But I have only taken one trade a day, so I'll just follow that rule. See, it would have just ran through my stop loss 100%. But eventually I got stopped out at break even, so that's a good thing. Mostly now available offline. What the fuck do I do offline? Definitely. So yes, that's it for this video. See, eventually it would have stopped out. So that's why this is the low hanging fruit. Okay, we need to identify the low hanging fruit and initially trade according to that. If I would have kept my trade open, I would have just now lost full position. Okay, so yes, that's about it. I've ran down through all the my thought process during the trade. Now the reason I have not put my stop losses here was if I'm entering here, my stop loss is here, my target is here, my first target. So that doesn't give us a much of a room to play with. So that's the only reason. Now we can't see technically see liquidity and run back down, but I have done my job. My job is to come in the market, execute my model, and get out. That doesn't matter the outcome. So the outcome will matter in about 1 year. Okay, so that's it for this video. How much long at 45 minutes? Okay, bye bye. I need to do already. I've done one backtesting session. I need to do two more today. So that's about it. Bye.